famous for its wonderful harbor, the Opera House and the Harbor Bridge, one of the most beautiful and exciting great cities of the world. It is a cosmopolitan metropolis where art, science, commerce, and sport all flourish. Students can enjoy the outdoor life, walks, and pristine beaches in easy reach of the city center. Are you ready to go? Please follow me.
The Sydney Harbour Bridge is a steel through-arch bridge across Sydney Harbour that carries rail, vehicles, bicycles and pedestrians traffic between the Sydney Central Business District and the North Shore. It is also the fifth longest spanning arch bridge in the world, and is the tallest steel arch bridge, measuring 134 meters from top to water level. The dramatic view of the bridge, the harbour, and the nearby Sydney Opera House is an iconic image of.
而家想睇啱寬頻電視，請致電28881888。
Can you visit Australia now? Please book the ticket under www.aasia.com.